The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra case wallet is a remarkably comprehensive mobile accessory that masterfully combines high-level protection with everyday convenience. This case is engineered specifically for the 2025 S25 Ultra, ensuring a flawless fit that grants access to all ports, buttons, and the S Pen without any obstruction. Its primary construction is a durable polycarbonate shell that provides a solid foundation against drops and impacts, safeguarding your significant investment in the premium smartphone. The design is sleek and functional, adding a layer of security without the excessive bulk often associated with full-body protective cases, making it an ideal choice for users who demand both safety and a relatively slim profile for their flagship device. This wallet case truly excels in its integrated feature set, which is designed for modern, on-the-go lifestyles. The built-in card holder compartment is thoughtfully designed to securely carry up to 4 essential cards, such as IDs, credit cards, or transit passes, effectively eliminating the need for a separate wallet. A significant and innovative highlight is the sliding camera cover, which provides physical protection for the S25 Ultra's sophisticated camera array against scratches and, just as importantly, offers a privacy shield for peace of mind. Furthermore, the addition of a reliable kickstand transforms the phone into a hands-free entertainment hub, perfect for watching videos, participating in video calls, or following recipes in the kitchen with unmatched ease. Attention to detail is evident in the thoughtful extras included with this S25 Ultra protective case. The package includes a practical cell phone strap, which enhances grip security for those who prefer to wear their phone around their wrist or neck, significantly reducing the risk of accidental drops. The overall aesthetic is professional and versatile, appealing to a wide audience, which is why it is prominently marketed as a perfect holiday gift for family, friends, men, and women alike. It successfully functions as an all-in-one solution, merging a wallet, a screen protector, and a stand into a single cohesive unit that simplifies daily carry and use. On a positive note, the case delivers impressively on its core promises. The full-body protection is robust, the card holder is genuinely convenient for daily errands, and the sliding camera cover is a standout feature for privacy-conscious individuals. The kickstand is sturdy and positions the phone at a comfortable viewing angle, while the included phone strap adds a valuable layer of security and personalization. The precise cutouts and tactile button covers maintain the premium user experience of the Galaxy S25 Ultra itself. Conversely, the integration of multiple features does result in a case that is noticeably heavier and thicker than a minimalist silicone or thin plastic case. While the card slot is useful, carrying 4 cards on the back of the phone does create a pronounced bulge, which some users may find less comfortable to hold or pocket. Additionally, the need to remove the entire case from the phone to access the cards or any stored cash behind them can be a minor inconvenience compared to folio-style wallets with front flaps. And the plastic construction, while protective, may not feel as premium as genuine leather alternatives for some users.